Dude, do not leave me out here. Let's go. Okay, fine, I'll do it. Let's go, come on. Give me one. Come on. Teachers. Hey, Sean, come on, man. Live your life. Yeah, come on. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Yeah. Get up, get up, get up. Let me sit. I'm going to stand in your chair. I'm going to stand in your chair. Hold this. Thank you. Next time, dance with me. I was ready to have a dance party with you guys. One more song, chance? Or you're not? No? No, I'm gonna give you one more chance. I picked this music for you. I picked this for you. One more song. One more. Come on. Don't leave me. Don't leave me out here. Don't leave me out here. One more song. We tell you to sit down and be quiet all the time. All the time we say sit down and be quiet. Now I'm asking you to get up. I'm asking you to get up. You always say sit down, be quiet, sit down, be quiet, sit down, be quiet. Now I'm telling you to stand and not be quiet. Come on, baby. Yeah. 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 Come on, with me, continue. You and me, yeah! There you go, clapping school. Party up in Asheville Middle School, party! Oh. Thank you, thank you. Let's go, welcome.